Hello friends, my name is Kevin.
Hey guys, I am Akash.
Here's the result.
What? The result?
Stay tuned till the end of this video to see how me and my friend Karen brings Deadpool vs Wolverine art to life. Yes, we did not show the result in last part, but guess what? This is the final part, so stay tuned and we will be really showing the result this time. So let us continue with the painting and pen sketching by Karen.
The hardest part is the sketching process because we made it in A3 paper. Also, for the sketching part, I need to make sure nothing goes wrong because of drawing with a pen.
But yes, in the end we made it. I hope you guys like it. Like, share and subscribe. Bye bye.